definitely had a busy 2019. One of the major initiatives for last year has been our partnership with an FPGA provider, and we have always been in the low latency space for the market data feed handling, and we've always used multi-threaded software and software-based kernel bypass to maximize the throughput and minimize latency. But with the race of data that we're seeing and our clients' demand for more deterministic latency profiles, it made sense to take this to the next level where software cannot really go, and therefore we started the new initiative of basically configuring a complete ticker plan appliance with the FPGA card and shipping it to our clients. It's more like a really plug-and-play solution. We've actually put a couple of press releases around it, and we've been doing a lot of testing in terms of the latency. Very positive feedback so far. All our clients, the minute they've seen the press release, they were asking about it. FPGA is where a lot of people need to go to be competitive in certain markets, and it was very well received on our end. And the fact that these clients didn't really have to program into the new card or pursue other vendors for it, and they could just call us and have it done and taken care of and shipped to them, that was a great deal to them. So Superfeed is a consolidated market data feed, and it's offered as a service, fully managed and hosted by Vela and available to clients from multiple access points. And we've been expanding and growing our footprint in the APAC region. We're seeing a lot of interest out of the area, particularly for markets like Singapore, Hong Kong, Japan. And it makes more sense for us to also be available in these regions to distribute the data to our clients via some of those access points. We traditionally had software for market access and for feed handling and market data on the NSE exchange. And most recently, we've also expanded our automated trading platform, Metro, which has market making capabilities and automated trading and auto hedging functionality into the NSE or National Stock Exchange of India as well. We've put together a very ambitious rollout plan to expand our footprint in Asia. Next would probably be somewhere in LATAM, where we don't traditionally have had presence there in terms of access points. We have software, we have the feed handling, but we are not able to manage and host. So that's something we're pursuing as well. And throughout 2020, we'll be working on increasing the points of presence to give our clients more optionality in terms of access points where they can consume our Superfeed data from. On the execution side, we've had a few major initiatives actually going on. Obviously, we are increasing our footprint also in the APAC region, which happens to coincide very nicely with the Superfeed expansion, because we're seeing a lot of interest and demand in points of presence like Hong Kong and Singapore, and we have software for these markets. What we'd like to be able to do is offer it as fully managed and fully hosted, which is really what we're noticing most of our customers are looking for. China is obviously a key market. We're very interested in the region. We're watching very closely the liberalization of these markets as that happens, gradually, maybe not to the pace that we would like, but nevertheless, we already have market access gateways via the Hong Kong China Connect that gives our clients access to markets like Shenzhen and Shanghai, and we are continuing to keep an eye on the market, and to the extent that we're able to get in and offer a fully hosted and managed service using the exchange's native API, we would like to be one of the first movers there.
This has been a production from John Lothian News.